One night there was some trouble in a lady's bathroom. A plumber was needed. The neighbors said, "Send for Mrs. Plug." When Mrs. Plug was sent for, Mrs. Plug came, but Mr. Plug did not come. He had to put the little plugs to bed. Look at this picture, children. What is the trouble there? Can you see any trouble there? A lady is sitting in a bathtub and a cat is looking into there, and a doll is there in the water, and there was some trouble. What may be the trouble? Look at this lady. Can you see anything there? Can you see anything here? Lady's finger stuck in the tap. Can you see this? Then lady is very worried and she is saying something. Send for Mrs. Plug. So neighbors also said, so you can send for Mrs. Plug. Who is neighbor, children? Those who are living nearby her. So that neighbor said, you send for Mrs. Plug. Then look at, when Mrs. Plug was sent for, Mrs. Plug came, but Mr. Plug did not come. Always Mr. Plug is coming with her, but this time he did not come. See, he had to put the little plugs to bed. Sometimes in your case also, when you get sleep, you may need your father's or mother's presence there, no, children? So if you are, if the children are very younger, that children need the mother's or father's presence there. Then only they will sleep. Here also, Mrs. Plug went for work, and here Mr. Plug is taking care of children. Look at the next page. Mrs. Plug got on with the job. The lady gave her a cup of tea. When she had finished, the lady gave her some money. Mrs. Plug sent off home. Look at this picture, children. See, Mrs. Plug is standing there. That lady's finger stuck there, so she is solving that trouble. And Mrs. Plug's bag she kept here, and you can see many things in this picture. Then in this picture also you can see she is holding in her left hand something. Can you see anything here? What may be that? That is a bathing sponge. Why we use bathing sponge? For cleaning our body. Then look at the next page. She is going to home with her useful bag. On the way, a terrible thing happened. Mrs. Plug saw a robber. So, next class I will tell you what happened. So, here something happened to her. We can look at the next class what happened to her. Okay, so I will give you 1 mark for completing one puzzle. You want to do it after reading this page. Then draw a robber's picture. Draw a robber's picture. Okay. Thank you, children.